Face the fears, face the fear of failure, and take the step towards success, towards the journey, towards the greatness that you probably deserve in your life. Do things that might get you rejected. It will transform your life. Let's face it, we all make mistakes. And we also know that failures is a reality of life. At some level, it also helps us grow in our life. Because success and failures are a very essential part of life, like a pillars. If you look at all the people out there who had done something great in their life, all the top-notch entrepreneurs, musicians, actors, any person that you admire, they all have faced failures in their life. Look at their past or probably present. They all have failed miserably. But the main concern is we all hate to fail. We know that failures are a very important part of our life. But still, we hate to fail. Though we know that failures help us grow, help us achieve the things that we really want in our life. But still, we hate to fail. Nobody ever would say that I love to fail. I have probably seen many self-help gurus, the motivational speaker, who says that they love to fail. Yes, I agree that failures help us to become a person that we really want to be, but nobody would accept the fact that we love to fail. Do you love to fail? Let me know in the comment section. Well, I don't. Now the main question is, if failures are a very essential part of our life that help us grow, that help us achieve the dreams that we really want, that help us become the person that we really want to be, then why we hate to fail? Why we cannot accept failures? Why? The reason is because of the emotions, because of the power of the negative emotions that we get when we actually fail. We feel miserable. We feel like quitting everything, as if it's the end of the world. It's all these emotions that hurls in our mind and make the person very negative. And many of us actually avoid failures. And because of that, they don't do the things that are actually necessary in their life if they want to achieve something. But because of the failures, because they are so afraid to fail, they hardly follow the steps towards the thing that can actually make an impact in their life. Some of us do great lengths to avoid failures because of the pain, shame, and all the pain that is associated with failures. So now the main question is, why it is so hard to let go? Why it is so hard that we cannot forgive ourselves and can move on? And how we can keep failures, or probably the feeling of failures, not affect our life. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can deal with failures and can live your life back to normal. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 strategies, 7 very easy strategies that you can do, you can implement in your life and can actually transform your life for a better being so that you can be successful, so that you can get back to your life and can become a better version of yourself. So before starting this video, I just request you to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, do follow me here on Instagram, do DM me and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. So without any further ado, let's get started with the pointers. Number 1, embrace your emotions. See, failures come with a lot of emotions like anxiety, depression, shame, anger, sadness, and many more. Unfortunately, it's very hard to overcome with all these emotions because it let us down. It can let our entire life towards the extent of such negativity that we cannot bounce back. We cannot transform our life from that because all these emotions played a very important role in our mind. So, but you are a winner in your life. So what you have to do is you have to overcome all these emotions. How? By accepting it. This is the first step. You got to accept your situation. You got to accept your scenario. Yes, you failed. You failed in a relationship. You failed in your job. You failed in your career. It can be in any scenario. Accept it. Many of the people actually try to escape these emotions, which is going to bounce back and can hit you hard. You don't want to escape what is actually happening in your life because all these things which is inside you can actually transform you. And after accepting all these emotions, all the things which happen in your life, that's the first step, a stepping stone towards bouncing back. So all these emotions, the anger, the frustration, just let it go. Stand in front of the shower and just cry. It really doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, just cry it out. Don't run away from all these emotions. Don't shy away. Just cry it out and let it go. Because when you accept the fact which has happened in your life, now it's going to be part 2. what actually you can do to transform your life. And when you're going to ask what you can do, the answer is going to come. So embrace all your emotions. Number 2, adapt healthy skills. Calling a friend, playing with your pet, going for a morning walk, exercising, deep breathing, and many other things can calm your mind and your body. So it's very important to do all these chores on a daily basis so that your mind get distracted from all the negativity which is hurling inside you. If you want to kill all these negative emotions, then you got to adapt with all the positivity inside your mind. Call your best friend, go out for a walk, go out on a date, enjoy, go out for a movie, play a video game, watch Netflix, do whatever the things that really comes from your heart, because this is going to distract your mind, and then you can transform your life by killing all the negative thoughts into a positive one. If you're struggling with all the bad habits, then these are the chores which help you in transforming from bad habits to the good one. Stop smoking, stop eating junk foods, because these are the first thing which you probably do when you are dealing with failures. When you have all these emotions, the negative emotions, boys generally go and smoke. Girls generally start eating junk foods, which is bad for your body, both mentally as well as physically. Transform all these things into a good one. So adapt all these healthy skills in your life, whatever that suits you, and become a better person, which help you in dealing with failures. Number 3, be realistic. See, many people actually believe that they are hopeless. They cannot do anything good in their life. And all these negative emotions don't let us do the second step. What is the second step? To actually go for the things that you really care about. To go for all the dreams that you really want to achieve in your life. If you feel hopeless, then you're not going to take that second step. So in this point, I'm telling you to be realistic. Realistic in the way that all these negative emotions is just a part of life for a very small amount of time, which you can transform by saying to yourself that I can handle failures. I can do good things in my life. I can achieve all the dreams that I really want to achieve. I can be a successful person in my life. I can and I will learn from my failures, and I will achieve good things in my life. By saying all these things, all these affirmations can help transform your life from negativity to positivity and can help you in dealing with failures. So be realistic about it. All these negative things which is hurling inside your mind right now, it's just for a time which will fade away when you do all these things. So be realistic. Number 4, research famous failures. If you look at all the people who have achieved something big in their life, in any sector, they all have failed in their life miserably. And if you research about them, your failure will be nothing in front of them. And still their names are in the top notch in their own category, because they transformed their life from failures to success. They did not quit. So read about them, learn about them, watch their videos. This will give you inspiration to bounce back from the failures which you are facing right now. If you look at their life journey, they have failed again and again and again, and they bounce back again and again and again. Most of the successful people out there right now fail miserably in their life all the time, but they never quit. They never say I quit. That's why they're here right now. That's why we are talking about them. That's why you are admiring them right now. So look at their life, read about them, read their autobiography, get inspired, and then bounce back in your life from failures to success. If they can do it, you can also do it. Understand? Number 5, ask yourself what you can learn. Like I've said before, success and failures are a very important pillar of their life. The failures help us become the person that we really want to be. Only if we really have the mindset to learn something from it. If you're not accepting the fact that you have failed, and now that you have learned something from your failure, how can you grow from that? How can you transform your life from that? Failure can be a great teacher if you're open to learning. So take it in a very positive way. That yes, I failed right now. But when I'm going to do it next time, I know what the things that I need to avoid, because I have done it and I failed miserably. But this time, I'm going to revise it. I'm going to do it in a very different way that will help me out in transforming my life, in transforming the things that I really want to achieve in my life, and can give me success in my life. Think about all the things that you can do differently next time. This is a positive approach. This is the first step towards a positive approach that can help you in building your future, This mindset will help you ensure that your failures has become a life lesson that help you learn something. Number 6, create a plan for moving forward. See, thinking about your future again and again and again will only transform your mind into negativity. You got to break that shell and move forward in your life into positivity. Yes, you have failed, but you are not alone. There are millions of people out there who have failed in their life. Now what you gonna do next? That's the most important thing right now. Create a plan right now that these are the things that happen. Now what? What's my next move? I need to avoid all the things that made me fail. But in the coming future, in the next step which I'm going to take, I'm going to make sure that these things won't get repeated. Dwelling upon the problem will keep you stuck all the time. Ask questions that what can you do to make your life the things that you really want, how you can do the things in a better way. Create a plan. What's going to be your next move? Step by step, move forward. That will help you in transform from negativity, from failures to positivity to success. So do it. Last but not the least, the 7th point is face your fears of failures. If you spend most of your life avoiding failures, then my friend, you're gonna fail. Because what we're gonna avoid all the time, we're gonna come back in your life no matter what. Yes, I know failures are scary. It can transform your life, a very happy life, into a very negative one. But if you're running away from the fear of failures, you can never be successful in your life. It's a given fact. Because you will never come out of your comfort zone. And you will never transform your life. You will never take the step towards success. Because you always have a fear of failure inside your mind. So if you want to be successful in your life, then you got to remove this fear of failure. Failures are the part of life. It's a very essential part of life. It helps you in transforming you. It helps you in becoming a better person. So don't think about it. Face the fears. Face the fear of failure. And take the step towards success. Towards the journey. Towards the greatness that you probably deserve in your life. Do things that might get you rejected. It will transform your life. So I hope that you understood all these 7 pointers, and I hope that you're going to implement all these 7 pointers in your life. Failures are part of life, but if you do all these 7 pointers in your life on a daily basis, you're going to transform your life from negativity to positivity, from failures to success. So I hope that you like this video. If you do, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. My name is Vaibhav Nigam, and I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye bye.